We're at O'Handley's for frame repair, and our Jeep is just coming in right now. Maybe. You hold my hand, okay? Don't let go. Yeah. That doesn't sound good.
Yeah, the alternator. It did, it's like, I don't know, you're the expert.
What do you think? Is it going to go up? You got to stay with me right here, okay? Don't let it slow you down.
Yeah, no worries. It'll take a while anyway.
Look, Jeffrey, a Jeep again.
Another one.
That's shooting. Look, it is got one.
It is a nice one.
Is that a nice one?
That's a nice one. All right, let's watch ours though. He's going to make ours go up in the air.
This whole part of getting it up takes about 2 hours.
To get it off the ground? Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, you have a run.
Yeah, I do. That's exactly what it's called. Does he help you out in the shop too?
He will.
That's so awesome.
Stay right here so we're not in the way.
Oh yeah, have you seen, well, you've seen the Jeeps coming off, right?
No.
Oh, you haven't?
I saw the one up on the lift. You showed me the that film, the black goo.
Yeah.
Flashback.
Yeah, it is,
So you're gonna cut in. I see where you cut in up here.
yeah, we actually like cut.
I think you're gonna have to go that high on mine too.
Oh yeah, we definitely will. And then it goes all the way down.
So, and this is the wool wax.
Yeah, it's real nasty when it first comes on. Yeah.
So my bolts are gonna come out.
Yeah,
All right.
replaced with brand new
All
bulls. Yeah, we've
Oh, so
actually
there's the
done
piece.
that before.
There's one of the pieces you cut off.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I got the big piece in the back of the truck. I also got pictures and videos from when I took.
So this is the inside of the frame, that center section right there.
Yeah.
Well, there's definitely value in hiring a pro because I don't trust my welds at all.
Yeah, no, these will never go in.
I had a set of wheels that looked kind of like that.
Oh really?
On another Jeep I sold. Now I wish I kept it.
End of flashback.
And that was it. I found some bushings. I don't know what's up at the front end. I think it's these sway arm bushings.
Yeah.
And there's a couple of small ones that I bought years. I used one piece out of the box.
Oh really?
I meant to bring it and I forgot.
Yeah.
So this is a 2-hour process to get it off the ground.
Yeah, just about.
Got to get the battery out.
Yeah, we basically disconnect everything that goes from the drivetrain to the body, because like the tub's gonna lift up and the frame and the drivetrain will stay on the ground. So like basically like.
Oh, okay.
anything-
I thought you were picking it up like that last one was picked up. So
I don't remember when
you're going to
saw
leave the
it.
chassis on the ground?
Yeah.
How are you going to cut from the bottom on the ground?
Oh, so that's the cool. So the reason a lot of these safety caps fail is because people don't pull the tub when they do them. And there's a section this long in the back that you cannot weld with the tub on it. Like, I don't care how good you are. We see it all the time. And then it fills up with stuff and then rots back out again. So yeah, we take the body off the frame and then we'll disconnect the rear control arms, drop the belly pan, and then cut one side, because the axle will sit there with the arms disconnected on one side, so as long as you don't move it.
I had to drive down the road like that too.
Yeah. Sort of. Yeah. And then we cut it all out, blow it all out, grind it all, and then
Stay here.
fit the new piece.
So you're actually going to lay on the ground underneath it, and
Yeah.
I thought you were picking it up to get to the the pieces to
Oh,
weld.
yeah. Oh, okay. I see. That's why I was like, I have a tripod. I can.
Like,
I can
oh
set
yeah,
up
just
with.
clunk is the new one all set.
No, it's a huge job. But like, I don't know. It only takes about 2 hours to get it apart.
Okay.
But yeah, that's why I was asking because if you